Here is how you can make money from YouTube without having video monetization. Next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can make money from YouTube without having your channel monetized. Now, there's a lot of people out there when it comes to making money from YouTube. First thing comes to their mind is, yo, how do I get my channel monetized? Because that's where the money at, right? That's where the money at. That's where everybody talking about how much you made from the Google AdSense, how much they making, da 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 da. Now, yes, there are a lot of people making a lot of money from YouTube ads, but if you listen to enough videos, they'll tell you that YouTube ads are so like sporadic. I mean, sometimes they give you a great general idea how much you're gonna make, but sometimes you can make, you know, $100 in a day, and some days you can make $10 in a day. So it's hard to it's hard to really gauge how much you can really make, from YouTube ads, but people do it. And if you do enough content and really do your research, you can kind of get an idea of what kind of videos you should be making. But that just comes with like research and stuff. So what about if your channel's not monetized yet, right? You're not to that point. You shouldn't be discouraged, because a lot of people are making a lot more money doing what I'm about to tell you than just YouTube ads. And that is affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people products and services. I talk about it all the time because it is probably, if not in the top 3 most popular ways and most profitable ways to make money online, which is to be an affiliate. There are so many different affiliate marketing programs out there that you'll probably be surprised of how many things that you can become an affiliate of. So say, I don't know why I use this all the time, but say you have a dog training YouTube channel, or really it don't matter what it is. You need to figure out, find products related to in my opinion, like 95% of the channels out there, whatever your subject is, I'm sure there's something that you can connect a product to that's for sale. So imagine if you have a dog training YouTube channel. So what you want to do is be like, okay, let's see, what would my viewers want to buy? Like if someone watched this video, what would a viewer want to buy, right? It don't even got to be directly to it, but just think, what would a viewer be interested in? After you figure that out, so say you're just like, oh, doggy clothes, right? Just say, for example. So literally you could just go to Google, type in doggy clothes affiliate programs. That's it. And you will see, I guarantee you, you will see a lot of opportunities out there that will allow you to sign up. In most cases, well, the majority of the time, they're just free to sign up, because obviously the companies they're going to make money when you promote, their products. So it's usually free to sign up. Now, a lot of times there's going to be a lot of options, so you got to go through them, pick and choose what looks good. Make sure you look at the commissions, what kind of commissions you're going to be getting, because you want to make sure it's worth your while. But you can get a couple different products, right? Have multiple products that, depending on what your video is about. Maybe one video you want to promote the dog clothes, another video you might just want to promote doggy toys or doggy training DVDs, or whatever you come up with. You can have multiple products and just attach them, to promote them on whatever the video goes best with, right? You can literally do this and get tons and tons of commissions without having your channel monetized. A lot of people are doing it. That's why a lot of big time YouTubers, people forget, when people talk about making money from YouTube, people don't think about, these people are talking about what they're getting from affiliate sales. They're talking about what they're getting from their own product sales. They're talking about what they're getting from brand deals, companies paying them to, say their name in a video or show their product. That's what when people talk about making money from YouTube, a lot of the times that's what people are talking about, all of that stuff. Now, people most likely, they always think about AdSense. right, when it comes to that. But there's so many different ways to make money from YouTube other than just getting it monetized. And that is, I'm definitely would tell you that's a good place to start affiliate marketing. Okay. So with that being said, it leads me to my number one recommended product for anybody looking to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, and that is to check out Wealthy Affiliate. Once you click the link in this description and go over there, it all speaks for itself. Once you sign up, it's free to join. Once you get into the community and learn about affiliate marketing, once you start learning, you're going to see the power of affiliate marketing. Now, keep in mind, only join the community if you're serious about making money online. If not, you're not going to get any value from the program, from the community. All right. It takes you step by step, everything you need to learn when it comes to affiliate marketing. You will actually see me. I'm referring you over there. You actually see me over there, and I'll help you out any way I can. But all the training that you need to be a super affiliate, you can get it over there, right? And keeping it real, being 100% transparent, you can learn a ton for free. But their upgrade premium package is I believe you could try it for like $19-20 for the first month, and then it's like only $49 a month, and you get all of the education that you need, everything that you need to turn affiliate marketing into your own online business. But keeping it real again, you can learn a lot for free. So I recommend just jumping in for free. Just jump in for free, and you'll see the power, and you'll want to upgrade yourself. If you're serious about it, you'll see it, you know what I'm saying, with your own eyes. All right, so check that out. If you got any questions, let me know, especially over there, because that's where I'll see you at. All right, so you don't need to have a monetized YouTube channel to start making money. Trust me, what I just told you can make you a lot more money than just YouTube ads. All right, so be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my number one recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description.